Oh, it's smoking.
So our car is on fire. What did we get for an iPhone? What's good, guys? Keaton here. So I have this kind of crazy idea, and I asked you guys on Instagram. If you don't know it, it's just TechSmartt. What I should do. Is this something you guys want to see? Something that's just too crazy?
It got too crazy.
Basically, I asked you guys if I should trade my iPhone 10 for a car and probably do something on Craigslist or just one of those sites.
I wish I never heard of Craigslist.
You can buy and sell cars. And you guys all said yes.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
So in this video, we're gonna try exactly that. I have two iPhone 10s right in front of me. Each of these cost $999 plus tax.
I'll do your taxes.
So we got one in space gray and then one in silver. I'll let the buyer, or the seller, buyer, I'll let the person getting this phone pick whatever color they want. They're both sealed, as you guys can see here. I'll let them open it up just so they know this is 100% official and legitimate.
In fact, I was too legit. I was too legit to quit.
I don't totally know what to expect in this video, but I'm getting similar vibes to when we sold an iPhone 10 to Walmart for $370. If you guys missed those videos, I'll leave them linked right up there. Wow. $370 for my iPhone 10. This video is gonna be crazy. I know it is. Drop a like if you guys are pumped. And think I'm gonna get a car? I don't know. Like, we're in this together. This is a phone for a car that hopefully drives. I'm definitely gonna test it. I don't know what paperwork I have to sign if I can just walk away with a car after I've given them a phone. We're gonna learn a lot today.
You're gonna learn today.
And if you guys wanted to see it early, it's on Snapchat and Instagram. Here we go. Let's trade an iPhone 10 for a car. Hopefully.
Man, I hope so.
So how I'm imagining this to go down is basically, I'm on Craigslist right now. I'm gonna start searching up for some cars between like $500 and $1,500. Start making some phone calls, see who's interested. And someone today will be walking away, hopefully, with one of these two iPhone 10s. And we'll be driving in a car. Everyone's winning.
Duh. Winning.
So let's go search car. See what we find. Oh wow, here are the junkers. I'm loving it. Okay, first car under $1,000. This purple 95 Toyota Corolla stick shift. Real good running car. I sort of know how to drive stick. For all my boys that drive nice cars that are stick, I know 100% how to drive stick. Don't you worry, I got your car. We won't stall it, we won't burn the clutch. We're good. Do you have a phone number? No, really. These are the same damn picture. It's 4 listings for the same car. No, that's not good. Whoa, 2000 Civic Link car. This thing looks stunted a little bit. Rebuilt engine, I wonder why. Custom wheels, Kenwood touchscreen, $800 cash. Ooh, feeling good. Hey man, I just saw your listing on Craigslist for the 2000 Civic.
No, I'm not.
Oh, did it already sell?
No, put the wrong phone number on that. No.
Oh, have you been getting some calls?
Yeah, you're like the idiot back here.
Dude, I'm sorry. That's a bad prank. I'm sorry.
It was a prank! It was a prank! It was a prank!
Hello?
Hey, it's Brad. I missed your call.
Hey, Brad. Yeah, just calling about the car I saw on Craigslist.
Sure, come on.
Sure. I'm just going. I gotta click back a few links just because.
There's too many of them.
Oh yeah, you have the Ford Taurus. Yeah. So crazy idea. Would you take a brand new iPhone 10 sealed in the box and let you open it? I have the receipt for the car.
No, I don't really need it.
All right, no worries. Thank you so much, Brad. Appreciate it, man. All right. Wow, didn't even get a bye-bye. Thank you. Sounds like I just wasted his time. All right, he sounded so friendly, then just became evil.
Then it's settled. We're becoming villains.
93 Lincoln Town Car. Ooh, here we go. Low miles, automatic, interior, runs smooth. Hello? Hi, I saw your listing on Craigslist for the 93 Town Car.
Yes.
Is it still for sale?
Yes, it's for sale.
Hey, crazy idea. Would you take a brand new iPhone 10 for the car? I have the receipt. It's still in the box. Just figured I'd give you a call.
iPhone 10?
Yep, the brand new one from Apple.
Yeah, bring it. Last time I bought a 1.4, you know what happened? Was brand new in the box. The guy didn't pay the bill, and then the phone disconnected.
Yeah, no, this is a brand new one. You can put any SIM card you want in there. Has never had a plan on it. It's brand new. I'll even help you set it up if you want.
Anytime you have a time, stop by.
I will give you a call. I will text you, okay?
Okay, no problem.
Thank you. Bye. What just happened? I got a little bit of an anecdote there too. Wow. 93 Lincoln Town Car, $750. All right, I'm gonna make one more call, see if we have any other fish on the line, and then I think I might give our friend a call back. Let's give this guy a call. See if the transmission is working.
Hello?
Hey, I'm calling about the Volvo.
Yeah.
Hey, yeah, is everything all good on it? Just wanted to make sure it looked good and that we can trade you an iPhone for it.
What?
Can we trade you an iPhone 10 for the Volvo car that you have?
Wow, that's the latest iPhone, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Well, that's so good.
Awesome, and the car works. It runs fine, like no problems with transmission or anything.
No.
Sweet. All right, man. I will see you in probably around like 15-20 minutes, okay?
Oh, yeah, okay. All right.
All right, sounds good. Thanks, man.
Yeah.
Dude, it sounded like he just woke up.
Ow, okay, I'm awake.
Was not expecting that call. We're going for it. 96 Volvo. Never owned a Volvo. Looks a little bit better than the Lincoln Town Car. That is older. We'll see how many miles is on this thing. I'll check it out. If I'm not into it, we'll go pick up the other car. I'm excited, boys. I'm pumped. So we're about 2 minutes away right now. I'm getting excited. Anxiety's starting to raise. Whoa, holy dude. Look at that. Kyle, is everyone all right? That's where my big thing was. It's not every day we film crashes on the 101, but only when we're buying iPhones. Buying cars with iPhones. If Ev gets us there in one piece, that is. Hope it looks as good as it did in the pictures and works. A to B. That's all I need. Car take me from A, deliver me to point B. We're gonna die. Like, Ev's going to kill us if he doesn't see these speed bumps. 100%. Oh, see, that's how you do it, Ev. We don't go flying back here. NC. So we just got here. We're here at Denny's, not the restaurant, but this awesome guy's house. I think I see the Vo.
Nothing on the Swedish meatball here.
He got it from his driveway to some part of the street, so that's all we need. It's a lie! I got both iPhone 10s here. Let's go meet Denny.
Denny from the block.
Denny from the block. Yo. Hey, I'm Keith. It's nice. It won't bite.
It's a good day.
Nice to meet you.
My niece bought it new.
Back in '96?
Yes.
Wow.
And then I inherited it. She bought another car.
How many miles are on it?
It's got 80, close to 100.
Okay.
That is American muscle. That car fought in Vietnam.
Can it take me from point A to point B?
Definitely. Fast.
Oh, I sound like a fast kind of guy, you know? I mean, my car ain't foreign. What are we doing?
I am speed.
Dude, there's probably been like 3 kids born in here. What? Ah, this is awesome. We got the new Cella-mobile. We're taking this to Coachella. I love it. Dennis, have you seen the new iPhone 10?
No, I haven't.
All right, but well, you get to pick the color.
I'll take the black.
The black. All right, cool. Open that up, man. Right there.
I haven't had anything
I don't want
brand
anything
new.
to fall out.
I haven't had anything brand new for a
Major
long
luck.
time. Cool, I'm glad I took your call.
No problem, man.
We got a deal.
Yeah, of course, we got a deal.
Cool.
Awesome. All right, is there any paperwork I need to fill out? Sweet. Let me get the keys and let's head out. So he said the radiator is gonna be an issue. I think we can still make it. It's like 6 miles away. It's not bad. But he said it might catch fire. I think we can make it.
What part of we're screwed don't you understand?
Dude, there's a hole in the seatbelt buckle. That's when you know. Dude, we can feel this car moving. What did we get for an iPhone? We're gonna try to get home. Oh, dude, that just sounds like gears grinding. Like, you know the reference, you grind my gears? Literally, this car grinds its gears.
You know what really grinds my gears?
It's running, just we need to watch for the engine overheating. That is the #1 thing we're looking out for right now. Please don't break down. I think I'm gonna throw up. Should we bang it? We tried to bang it, this car would just fall over.
Please don't get hit. Please don't get hit. Please don't get hit. Please don't get hit.
We're barely making that.
Yeah. Drop a link in this video if you guys want us to try this again. Maybe try it with some other tech. If it can happen with an iPhone 10 and get us this Volvo, anything is possible.
iPad, iPhone, whatever.
All right, it's almost at a third overheated. Let's hope we make it back. Dude, the f***ing speedometer does not work, Kyle. I kid you not. We do not know how fast we are going. Man, this car is a gem. A gem. The car works, it runs fine, like no problems with transmission or anything. All right, so we got about 3 miles exactly, 9 minutes. The engine is starting to overheat. It's climbed up from about half where it was chilling for a while to now about 3/4 overheated. I'm scared. We're close. We got some hills. Dude, there's something coming through these vents. We've ruled out rubber. We've ruled out other cars. It is the car sending fumes to our faces.
All right, this is the big hill we've got to go over.
Oh boy. I think it just dies halfway, like rolls back, hits the Civic behind us.
Make it. Oh, it's at full.
No way! Oh my god! Oh, dude, it's gonna get exploded!
What can we make?
Oh
it?
my
Can we limp it in?
Dude, it's at full heat. We're
Down.
making this turn. What a great day.
Oh, it's smoking.
So our car is on fire. This is not safe.
The car's actually on fire right now.
Like, we're just getting it back to the boys' shop.
Many unbearable hours later.
Look at this. So we made it back safely, kinda, sorta. The minute we turned the car on, I started to smell something funky. Kyle and I just wanted to dismiss it as maybe it's the tires, someone in front of us. The car just has some nice musk to it. No, the radiator caught on fire as soon as we started it. We drove home with it basically smoking, just kind of didn't see it. We could smell it for sure. So to quickly recap what went down, I had this crazy idea to trade an iPhone 10 for a car. Drop a like in this video if you guys want us to try this again, and let me know in the comments what else you want me to try for next. A house, that'd be pretty sweet. The sky is the limit. So had this idea, made some calls on Craigslist. A few people laughed at me. One guy actually thinks I'm still coming. I have another iPhone 10. Maybe I'll get a second one. Seriously, you guys let me know. And then we got to Dennis's house. He tells us the radiator's a problem. It was kind of an issue in the listing, not anything too big to worry about. When the car works, it runs fine, like no problems with transmission or anything. It's a big thing to worry about. We barely got home safe, but we made it. Like, what do we name her? Let me know in the comments real quick. So subscribe if you're new. Check it out on Instagram if you guys missed any of the behind the scenes. Anything's possible. Peace. So we got the car for the iPhone 10. Check out where the window buttons are. In the center, not on the side. And we're somehow still alive and still running.